Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Miss T and Miss T is Blessed. Today I'm going to share with you how I make this diamond wrap charger. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Please subscribe, comment, and share. So let's get to it. This is a diamond wrap charger that I do every year for family and friends during the holidays. Now, I didn't come up with this idea. I saw it first on a channel, Sharon, She's So Fabulous, maybe 2 or 3 years ago, about 3 years ago. So the first thing that we need, I'm going to tell you the supplies. We need diamond wrap, foam board, scissors, glue gun and glue. We need a pencil. At the Dollar Tree stores, they actually sell like a foam piece that has the circle on the inside where you can use to trace it. But what I used was the piece of foam board and a regular charger. So I just put the charger down, and with my pencil, I just traced around it for the perimeter of the charger. So it'll be the same size as a regular charger. So once I did that, and I cut around that one, the first one I did, I took the inside piece that I cut out and laid it on here and drew a circle around here so they would be even. So when I cut it, it was easier to cut it out with a knife because it's foam board. So I used the knife and went around. See how easy that cuts? Or you can use any kind of knife that you use, whatever knife that is comfortable for you, or you can use your scissors. So once I cut this piece out, let me show you how it looks on the other piece of foam board. This is from where I had already cut some out. Once I cut the circle out, then I'll cut the inside piece out, this right here, and I take the inside of that out, and what I'm left with is this shape. See, just like a O. So then I take my diamond wrap, and you can do it 2 ways. If you're making it for yourself to save some supplies, you can just cover it on the front. I think this is the way that Sharon did it from Sharon, She's So Fabulous. She just glued it on the back like that. But this part of it was showing. So if it's for you, nobody else will ever see it. But when I make it for someone else, I just wrap it completely around, front and back. So the amount of studs, I call them studs on the diamond wrap, the width of it is 12. So I cut it in half. So it's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, that's not the right piece. Sorry about that. This is it. See, that's why you have to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it'll be even. So then I take my glue gun and I just put some glue on it. And I just start wrapping. And I overlap it, so you really can't see the foam board. And I make sure the top piece, whenever I have to start and stop or I run out, I make sure that piece is always in the back. And be careful of the hot glue. So I just continually overlap. I put more glue down. And this hot glue on here usually holds up because it's foam board. So this usually lasts. So I just keep going around and keep going around. You can use any color diamond wrap. They have gold diamond wrap, red diamond wrap, black. And I always try to overlap it. So I just keep going. And you see how I overlap it? Right there. Now again, if you're doing this for yourself, you don't have to do it like this. You can just take this piece like this and just do top and bottom. And this doesn't take a long time. Again, be careful of the hot glue. You can do this while you're watching TV, watching a video. And again, my name is Miss T, and my channel is ms.t is blessed. Please subscribe, comment, and share. So I do this until I counted them again, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Until I get all the way around. Be careful of the hot glue. Try to overlap. So I usually do this every year for family and friends, especially during the holiday time. And I think everybody's has held up so far. So you just keep going around and around. Until you overlap the last piece. And once again, I try to put the end piece on the same side. Well, this one is going right here, but I'm going to overlap it so you don't see it. So you just keep doing that until you get to the end. And once again, you don't have to wrap it completely around if you're doing it for yourself. And be careful of the hot glue. So I get 2 of them out of 1 piece of foam board. And I usually get the foam board from the dollar store. Excuse me, and I usually get the diamond wrap from Michael's or Hobby Lobby. And they usually have a coupon. So there you have it. A diamond wrap charger. And it didn't cost much to make. So this is how it looks with your plate sitting on it. So you can use different colors, silver, red, and gold. And I've also seen some pink diamond wrap. So once again, this is Miss T at ms.t is blessed. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you try this for yourself. And again, thank you, Sharon, she's so fabulous, for sharing the video years ago. So this is one of my favorite DIYs. Thank you for watching. And remember, today is a gift. Enjoy your present and live your best life. This is Miss T at ms.t is blessed. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.